Dear students, today we learn how to construct a ellipse by major axis and minor axis by the method number 1, arcs of circle method. Here major axis is given 80 mm and minor axis is given 50 mm. First of all, we draw a horizontal line by the help of a T-square. Then by the help of diagonal scale, we measure 80 millimeter and 1 to 4 and 4 to 8. And from this midpoint, we draw a vertical line and measure 25 and 25. Erase all extra lines. A, B is my major axis, C, D is my minor axis, and O is center point. Now, taking AO as radius, and center C, we draw two arcs named F1 and F2. F1 and F2 are the two foci of the ellipse. We take another 2 points randomly named 1 and 2 randomly. Taking radius A1, taking radius A1 and center F1, we draw two arcs. Similarly, from F2, we draw two arcs. Then from B to 1, from B to 1, we put it in F1 as a center and cut the previous arcs, and similarly from F2 cut the previous arcs. Similarly, taking radius A2, take center F1, draw two arcs from F2, again from B to 2. Center F1, it cut 2 arcs, and from F2 it cuts. So the border of my ellipse is point C, this point, point A, this point, point D, this point, point B, this point, and this point. We have to join this ellipse by French curve. This is my required ellipse of AB, major axis 80 mm, and CD, minor axis 50 mm, and the method is arcs of circle method. We have to show the dimensions as it given. This is my extension line, which is always perpendicular to dimension line. One is to one scale. Thank you, student.